Greetings from Florida. Today we're working on a Honda Pilot power window regulator repair. It usually fits from 2003 to 2008. You might be able to find these on my website, upanddownmainstreet.com, upanddownmainstreet.com. Please take a look. You've got a screw under there, and I think we're working on the passenger door right here. See the passenger or the back door? You've got a cover right there, and there's a screw behind that. By the way, this is double sped up to not take all day to show you. Careful getting this off. You don't want to break the clip that holds that rod on. It's a little inconvenient. And you've got a screw, which I haven't figured out yet, behind the switch. So to get that off, pop that off with a flathead screwdriver. There you go. Unplug that. I guess that's the front seat. And there's a screw behind that. So take the whole thing off, move the panel over, pull back the plastic weather seal. It's a moisture barrier that prevents condensation from coming towards the door panel. It doesn't do much. Bring the window up until you can get to where the two 10mm bolts are. And those bolts are a little bit different than the bolts that hold the regulator, so keep them separate. They're a little bit longer. Put the glass up, lock it in. I think you've got 7 10mm bolts that hold the regulator and motor in. Unplug it. And again, if you need these, check my website first, upanddownmainstreet.com. Upanddownmainstreet.com, I appreciate it. I showed you how to do it. And if you have any questions and you buy the part from me, you can call me and I'll talk you through anything you need. If you have any questions and you didn't buy the part from me, please just ask them on YouTube. I'll be glad to answer them within a day or two. So there's the old one. It's a motor regulator assembly. That's how all the Honda and Acura parts come. You get the whole thing, whether you need it or not. It's manufactured as one piece. Fun fact, they may be off by an inch or two. Honda parts are about 40% less than Acura parts. I don't know why. Nissan charges a fortune, whether it's for a Nissan or an Infiniti, but Honda gives you a little break if you got the Honda and not the Acura. If you got the Honda part, you probably have the bolts already ready to go there. Plug that in. There's also a plastic clip that holds the rod right there. I just showed you. And that goes on the cable and plugs in right there. There you go. $10mm bolts. Every now and then, lightly lube the two up and down channels with any kind of WD-40 Power Lube PAM cooking spray. Don't soak them. Give them a quick spritz every 2 or 3 months. They dry out from the heat and cause the glass to grab. So a little dab will do you. It makes everything go a lot faster, smoother, and you don't wear out the regulators as fast, especially in the south. Bring the glass down. Put in the two longer 10mm bolts. They're a little bit longer than the other ones. There you go. We're good. I don't know if I got away with not putting more tape on there. That doesn't stick really well. But I guess I'm okay. Next up, the door panel. Don't forget to pull the wiring harness through right there, so you have access to it. Pop in the panel. You got a screw there. Oh, also put the switch on before you put on the inside door handle. That way if you drop any screws, they fall into the cup. They don't fall into the door. Now, this is the challenge. You got to get that metal rod that connects into it and then close it, and good luck. Hopefully you have small fingers. Maybe you have a 5-year-old at home. She can do it. Got it. And that's why you put the switch on first in case you drop the screws. You have 2 screws there, I believe. And then one more screw. Oh, you get the cover for it. And one more screw right there. Upanddownmainstreet.com. Upanddownmainstreet.com. I appreciate you looking. And you have a good week. Thanks a lot.